Hello everybody, I'm back. Welcome back to another video of the big severe weather event that's happening today. We just saw a really strong wind gust that ripped that roof over there. I think, have that been like that? I don't think so, but that roof right there got ripped, y'all. Do y'all see that? Ripped. That's crazy. And now my roof is my roof okay? All right, y'all, these winds are about to get intense, yo. Wow. Y'all. 9:50 in the morning, 9:50 something in the morning. Wow, look at that tree over there. Look at that tree over there. I'm trying to catch something with that tree. Yeah, I think I might catch something here. Wow. Y'all, these winds are insane. These winds are insane, y'all. Holy crap. Holy crap, y'all. All right, y'all. I hope this works, y'all. With a strong wind. I don't know, y'all. I don't see no strong wind. All right, hold up. I'll wait. Here we go. Y'all hear the squeaking of the power lines. Oh, hold up. Wait. All right, y'all. Let me calm down. Oh, shoot. Gosh, me. I still see another leaf NATO. A leaf NATO. It's been a while since I seen a leaf NATO. Leave 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 NATO. Oh dear. A leaf NATO. Alright, y'all, so this is what the other yard looked like for the first time. Y'all, it's a mess out here. Y'all, it's a mess out here. It's a mess out here. It's a mess, y'all. I know. It's a mess out there, y'all. It's a mess. It's a mess out here. Y'all, this wind blowing terrible, y'all. This wind is terrible. Y'all, this wind is bad.
Rain.
Y'all, I have never seen that tree over there swing like that before, y'all. Never. This is insane. You got it?